Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best glass food storage is probably one of the most underrated kitchen essentials. They're perfect for meal prepping, storing leftovers, and keeping your ingredients fresh. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of glass food storage, focusing on a specific product that promises durability, versatility, and ease of use. We'll explore its features, benefits, and whether it lives up to the hype, so you can decide if it's the right choice for your kitchen. Number 5. FineDine 24-piece glass meal prep containers. These containers are made of premium borosilicate glass, known for its durability and clarity. It's a popular choice for consumers seeking long-lasting, high-quality kitchenware. Keep your meals fresher for longer with the airtight design. The lids create a secure seal, perfect for meal prepping and storing leftovers, preserving both flavor and freshness. Simplify your cooking with these microwave and oven-safe glass containers. Their versatile design is perfect for busy lifestyles, allowing easy transitions from freezer to microwave or oven. Whether you're storing large meals or organizing your pantry, these stackable containers meet all your storage needs. Their sleek design allows for easy storage, maximizing space in your cabinets and fridge. Prioritize your health with these BPA-free glass food containers. They provide the assurance of safety and quality for all your kitchen storage needs. You can trust them for your food storage. What we like. This container uses premium borosilicate glass, ensuring durability and clarity. It also features an airtight seal to keep your food fresher for longer. If you are looking for a container that can go from freezer to microwave or oven with ease, then this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The lids snap on tight so nothing leaks, which makes them perfect for meal prep or packing lunches. They seal well and provide easy food storage. The glass thickness was nice and the lids are easy to remove open. Number 4. MCIRCO 24-piece glass food storage containers. This set includes 12 containers with 12 lids in various sizes and shapes. It provides multiple options to fulfill your storage needs. You can store different food in it. These containers are made from premium borosilicate glass, which is stronger than others. It can safely go straight from the refrigerator to the microwave or oven. The snap-lock lids come with silicone seals, making your food last longer. They are easy to use and prevent leaks. These lids are very durable. The glass containers are microwave, freezer, dishwasher, and oven safe. However, the plastic lid should not be placed in the microwave or oven. It is easy to use and take care of. These food storage containers have a stackable design. It can keep your refrigerator, home, and kitchen organized. It will leave more space on your kitchen slabs and cabinets. What we like. This set offers a variety of sizes and shapes to meet all your storage needs. The borosilicate glass is stronger than others. If you are looking for a comprehensive set with secure, leak-proof lids, then it is a great option for meal prepping and storing leftovers. What people say. The lids snap on tight to keep your food fresh. The glass is super thick, microwave safe, and dishwasher safe. Multiple sizes and shapes in glass will meet our storage needs. Number 3. Zulay Kitchen 5-pack glass meal prep containers. Tired of flimsy plastic containers? These Zulay kitchen glass containers are a great replacement. They're made from durable borosilicate glass, perfect for storing leftovers and meal prepping. This product is made with BPA-free glass that can withstand high temperatures. You can safely use it in the microwave, oven, and freezer. Each container has a 36-ounce capacity, ideal for portioning meals. The removable silicone ring creates an airtight seal, keeping your food fresh. The snap-locking lids are designed to prevent leaks, making it perfect for soups and sauces. For best results, hand-wash the lids, and the containers are dishwasher safe. The stackable design saves space in your cabinets and fridge. Dimensions, 8.2 by 6.2 by 2.7 inches. Zulay Kitchen offers a lifetime guarantee on these containers. If you have any issues, they'll make it right. Order yours today and enjoy fresh, well-preserved food. What we like. This container features a removable silicone ring for an airtight seal, perfect for storing soups and saucy foods. It is also easy to clean and store. If you like a container that is easy to clean and store, and comes with a lifetime guarantee, you should consider it. What people say. They are high quality plus the cover seals. They're a good size, so even though I'm not filling them up that much, there's plenty of room if I do ever need to. Lids fit tightly. Dishes are sturdy heavy glass. Number 2. Glass food storage containers with locking lids. These containers are made of the highest quality tempered glass. It can withstand temperatures up to 750 F, making it perfect for various cooking needs. The containers feature a convex edge design and tight snap locking lids. This creates an airtight seal, keeping your food fresh and preventing leaks. Each container is individually bubble wrapped for protection. They are then shipped in a sturdy 5-ply export carton to ensure safe delivery. These containers are incredibly versatile. You can safely use them in the microwave, dishwasher, oven, and freezer. They are also easy to clean and reusable. The containers are BPA-free, ensuring your food remains safe. They won't affect the taste or smell of your food, providing a healthy storage solution. What we like. This container is made of borosilicate glass and has locking lids for an airtight seal. It is also safe to use in the microwave, dishwasher, oven, and freezer. If you are looking for a simple, reliable, and versatile storage solution, then it is a great choice. What people say. They are perfect for nuking lunch at the office. The plastic containers I was using could not be microwaved, so with this you just pop off the lid and warm. They are the perfect size and the lids are completely leak-proof and sturdy. Very easy to clean also. These containers are the right size for portion control meals. Stores great with no spills. They are not real heavy yet durable glass with easy open lids. They look very classy. These containers store well, clean easy and warm food excellent without staining. I love them. Very comparable to the more expensive line, and yet these are so affordable. Durable, and no leaks. Number 1. NutriChef 24-piece glass food storage containers. Introducing the NutriChef 24-piece glass food storage container set. It includes various sizes and shapes, perfect for meal prepping, storing leftovers, and more. This set has everything you need to keep your food fresh and organized. These meal prep containers are made of high borosilicate glass. This allows the containers to withstand rapid temperature changes without warping or cracking. You can safely transfer it from the freezer to the oven. Unlike plastic, this glass set is free of harmful chemicals and is environmentally friendly. You can safely put hot foods directly into the containers. The BPA-free lids ensure your food stays safe. The containers feature a 4-snap, leak-proof lid that creates an airtight seal. This keeps your food fresh longer. The newly innovated hinged lid technology makes it easy to open and close. It's great for taking to the gym, pool, or work. The set includes rectangle, square, and round container styles. They are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Both the containers and lids are stackable and nest inside each other. This saves valuable space in your kitchen. What we like. This set includes 24 pieces with various sizes and shapes. The glass is made of high borosilicate transparent glass. If you are looking for a complete set with an airtight seal to keep your food fresh, you should consider this. What people say. Lids fit well and are very easy to click sealed, and they stay sealed. Bowls nest as well as lids for a small cabinet footprint. Keeps food fresh, and they are so convenient to keep in fridge or freezer. Then when you want to, you can heat the contents in the microwave without having to change containers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.